gone off. Again the same. This is in level 4, I believe. It's opening. Lift going down to 0. Right. And that does say it's level 4. Okay, there's the lift. 0. Close. Go open. Right, gonna go reset. One, 2, 3, 4. System reset. So that's closing back. It's closed back. And that is also good. System okay. Okay. Take 2. There we go, alarm's off. It's opened. And that's opening. Lift. Lift's starting to go down. 0. And extra fan, this is level 10, fan off. So the testing?
Yes, it's okay. Don't worry, we'll take the stairs. We need to go back up.
Right, it's on 0 now. Right, I'm going to reset the alarm. I think should be right. Right, reset. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's resetting it now. Everything should close back. Yeah, that door is closed. This door is closing. Lift is fine, still in 0. And now it's a good size. Everything's closed.